Hey! Hey, dude! Presley! Hey! Come on! That's right, come on over. Yeah! Come on over. You can do it. You can come. There you are.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Yeah! Look at you! You did it, Zilly! You did it! Yeah! Look at that thing.
Next one, Miranda, you can come back. Come on.
Oh. Here, you want this? Here we go. Let's go back. Go ahead. Go ahead back, dude.
You know what's coming next. Oh my.
Here you go.
You think that's hilarious?
No, you're over it? He's like, I'm over it.
Your name's inside on it. I scooped up what I could.
Just gotta inspect it.
Ashes mostly.
What is
In
that
my
thing?
thermos.
Hope you're getting me in there.
Look at that thing. Whoa. I'll just push it across like this.
No, that is not true, ma'am.
Oh, and now he'll get up on it.
Right now on account of a fellow I have in sight right here.
Oh, he gets aggravated.
He gets frustrated, yeah.
Look at him, Mommy.
He's like, I'm over it.
But he's... Come here.
Silly? Silly, you're stuck now.
Hilarious.
There he goes. Good performance, dude. Good form.